अभी किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो they can say. How many of you are packer? Not the MAPP students won't write. So Deepti Chamadia, good to see you. Lovely and wonderful. Jyoti kahan se? Jyoti Shri Sagar. So everybody can write down from which city they are, excluding the MAPP students. Excluding the MAPP student, the guest can write, okay, she's from Mumbai, she's already packing. Meenu Bansal. कर दिया मैंने. So I'm muting everybody for the time being, and later on we can have a light question answer session as well. Sonipat, so Belgaum, Homa Food says, and Vinisha, Delhi. Wonderful to have all of you here. Okay. अभी तक मैं इतनी जोर से बोल रही थी, किसी ने मुझे बोला भी नहीं कि मैं म्यूट में हूँ. So let's have it's welcome everyone. So we are exactly at 11 a.m. and we are going to start. So how about welcoming summer with the summer's gifting ideas? Do you find it inspiring? If yes, please type in YES yes. Please type in YES yes. If you find that starting the summer with the summer gifting idea is a wonderful idea. How many of you are not packing and they are here to see ideas for their personal use? How many of you are not packing? I'm new, okay. Who else? Who else? Me, Namrata says wonderful. तो आपको तो बहुत सारे ideas मिलने वाले हैं. Have your screenshots लेने के लिए cameras ready, but we are going to have this all videos on YouTube. And all the students who are participating today will be having these videos on their personal Instagram handles. तो अगर आप चाहेंगे तो आप उन्हें वहां पे भी देख सकते हैं. So let's have welcome to summer. Can we write WELCOME? Welcome to summers. Can we write? Shruti says a little bit new, done packing before Diwali. Wonderful, Shruti. Can we write welcome to summer and then we start? Wonderful. So wonderful. Before wasting any time, I'm going to start, and one of our very inspiring student is Sarvesh. And can we have the camera on, please? And why is she inspiring? Why is she inspiring? I'll just tell you. I'm asking them to switch on the video. Okay. So hi, Sarvesh. Sarvesh, people can see you straight into the camera, not to me. Hi. So Sarvesh, we want to know. So Sarvesh, in my career of 22 years, is one student who's learning to contribute. So Sarvesh, why have you joined the PAC program? Can you all hear Sarvesh? 1 minute. Can you all hear Sarvesh? No, they cannot hear Sarvesh. नहीं आ रही है आपकी. हटा दो, माइक हटा दो, आप सीधे बोलो. माइक हटा दो. हाँ जी, सर्वेश बोलिए आप.
हाँ जी मैम, ये मेरे पास ऐसा खाली समय था ताकि मैं एंजॉय करूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कुछ गर्ल्स के साथ जो कि मुझे कोऑपरेट करती है स्टिचिंग वगैरह में, तो उनके साथ मिलके मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि उनकी भी हैंड होल्डिंग करूँ और खुद की भी लाइफ एंजॉय करूँ और एक बिजनेस ग्रो करूँ.
वंडरफुल. सो सर्वेश, ये बताओ आप मेरे को कि व्हाट्स द आइडिया टुडे बिहाइंड द समर गिफ्ट?
समर गिफ्टिंग में हम कुछ ये पार्टी डेकोर आइटम्स बनाए हैं. मैंने कुछ समर्स के हैं और कुछ ट्रॉपिकल हैं. तो ये एज अ समर में मैम ये कुछ आइडियाज हम पिक कर सकते हैं पार्टी को डेकोर करने के लिए।
So how have you made this? Is what?
ये डॉली है, उसको पेंट करके बनाया गया है। डॉली है, उसको पेंट किया है मैंने।
So ये डॉयलीज को पेंट करके उन्होंने बनाया फॉर अ केक टॉप।
यस मैम।
वंडरफुल। सो आगे आगे व्हाट इज दिस फॉर?
मैंने ये अम्ब्रेला बनाया है, इसको केक पे लगा सकते हैं। और थीम तो मैम ये है जैसे पार्टी में हम कहीं बैठे होते हैं उसके ऊपर अम्ब्रेला लगाने के लिए, लेकिन हम ये केक टॉप पे लगा सकते हैं। और ये लेमन्स है मैम, इसको भी एज अ पार्टी डेकोर यूज कर सकते हैं।
Oh, so beautiful lemon decor here. Can you have the close up, please? You can make it at your home. And I see this lovely sunflower there. Yeah. How are ये तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है प्रिंटेड। ये कैसे बने? People are clapping. Actually, is clapping. This is so. We are getting so much of appreciation.
Thank
So
you.
beautiful. How have you made this?
मैम ये तो कटिंग करके
कटिंग करके बनाया ना, तो ऐसा कटिंग का आइडिया भी तो होना चाहिए कि आप प्रिंट से कटिंग कर सके।
इसको आरडीए को फिलअप करने के लिए मैंने बनाया।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही खूबसूरत। एंड वी सी सम ब्यूटीफुल पाइनएप्पल्स हियर। ये पाइनएप्पल बहुत खूबसूरत है। सर्वेश आपके ये कैसे बनाए हैं आपने?
मैम इसको पेंट करके और पेपर से पेपर क्राफ्ट।
Ankush is saying we love the doilies. And I see this beautiful girl over here made by ये बॉटल की जो आपने बनाई है, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत है।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
हाँ, इसके बारे में बताएंगे आप?
जूट से बनाया गया रैप करके, और ये हैट अलग से बनाया गया है।
वंडरफुल। तो सर्वेश आप मुझे ये बताओ, इस एज के अंदर आप ये सब सीख रही हैं, यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन, आप लोगों को मैसेज कुछ देना चाहेंगी?
मेरे अंदर एक बच्चा था जो बाहर निकल के प्रो हो रहा है, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये सब करने में।
बहुत ही so सर्वेश, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much for being with us. How many of you would like to be in a space like that? So we can see amazing, great, Divya, amazing. We so much of appreciation, Sarvesh, for you. So thank you so much. चलिए सर्वेश से आगे चलते हैं and let's meet another very dynamic housewife. And I'm going to invite Kanchan. Kanchan, hi. See आप उधर से वॉइस बंद कर दो, सुन। या कंचन, कैन यू हियर मी? कंचन, कैन यू हियर मी? आई डोंट थिंक दे कैन हियर मी। कंचन, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करें। कंचन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Yes, ma'am.
Kanchan,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
hear me now? Yeah, wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
I'm
Kanchan,
hearing.
Jyoti, thank you for being there with us, and do let us know when the voice is clear and not clear. So, Kanchan, आपका brand name क्या है?
Ma'am, Decora_Heaven.
तो कंचन, आपने ना 2 ऑपरेटर्स से लॉगिन करा हुआ है, उसमें से एक को म्यूट कर दें आप।
Ma'am,
गाइस, आई वांट टू टेल यू एवरीबॉडी, हाँ, एक को म्यूट कर दो आप, ठीक है? ओके, वंडरफुल। तो मैं आपको सबको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर डूइंग देयर presentation for the first time, and it is absolutely all right not to be so all right. Huh? What do you say about it? Is it okay? Is it okay to be there for the first time in front of all the audience? Yes. Thank you, Jyoti, for saying wow, wow. That's देखो कितने जने आपको appreciate कर रहे हैं। देखो, can you see? Kanchan, everybody is here to see you. है ना? जल्दी से बताओ आपका summer idea क्या है? What is your summer idea? Tell me. What's your summer idea? Kanchan, do you want me to show the other camera?
मैम कुछ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है शायद।
आपकी आवाज हमें आ रही है, आपका फोटो आप अपना हैम्पर दिखाइए, वी कैन सी यू।
ये मैम मैंने एक समर थीम पर हैम्पर बनाया है। इसमें मुखवास है, और ये कुकीज के लिए एक मैंने बॉक्स रेडी करा है।
कंचन आपका ना वेट करो आप, 1 मिनट वेट करो आप। कंचन आपके 2 कैमरास है यहाँ पर। She has 2 cameras. Kanchan, we can see you. हाँ, we can see you. This is good, Kanchan. अब इसको पलट के दिखा दो, इसको पलट के दिखाओ वहीं से. Yeah, this is nice. Yes, Jyoti Mundra, she can't hear you. You will have to unmute yourself, Kanchan. आपके दोनों mics unmuted है. Let's have somebody else by the time till Kanchan is sorting herself. Divya. So we are having the Divya on the spotlight. Dolly, please ask Kanchan to solve herself. Hi Divya, अपने आप को unmute करो आप. Divya, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. So this is so glamorous, Divya. ऐसे नहीं लगता सीधे फिल्म से निकल कर आई है. So Divya, what is your summer idea today for the gifting?
Ma'am, I have created a hamper.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have created this Create Your Own Sunshine. I have put some laminate bottles here.
हाँ,
And
तो
इसको
थोड़ा सा क्लोजअप अगर और हो जाए हैम्पर की तरफ तो वुड बी नाइस.
Yes.
वाओ वाओ.
Caps, summer caps के साथ मैंने डेकोरेट करा है. And here are sunflowers. The message is Create Your Own Sunshine.
एंड ये जो हैट बनाए हैं ये तो बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहे हैं, बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am. These are very interesting and very quick to make. I can teach you how to make this.
You can really teach us how to make. How many of you are interested to learn how she has made these hats? How many of you are interested? बहुत सारे जने हैं, सब लिख रहे हैं मी 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 मी. जल्दी से बताओ दिव्या कैसे बनाए.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I have taken disposable cup here and मैंने इसको कट कर लिया है and then fold diagonally. तो diagonal fold करने के बाद इसको इनके अंदर insert करना है one by one. Like I have do this, इसको ऊपर करा, then another. So by doing this thing, we can get this thing. जब ये पूरा fold हो जाएगा तो it looks like a cap I used here in my hamper.
Wow, this is really beautiful. How many of you find it cool? Please write cool, COOL, cool. If you find it cool. So so many cools are coming here. Divya, तुम तो बिल्कुल छा गई हो भाई. This is really nice. Is there anything else you are showing us?
Sweeten with day with moons and cookies. I have used cookies over here.
Wonderful. बहुत ही खूबसूरत.
Coffee mug and birds umbrella की shadow के नीचे बैठी हुई है.
Umbrella बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. This is really interesting, and to tell everybody, Divya is a very avid crafter, and somebody is writing pretty hamper with flowers. Lot of appreciation you are getting, Divya.
Thank you, ma'am. One more hamper with me. It's protect yourself from envy with the power of evil eye. तो मैंने इसको
बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला. So she has a wall के ऊपर the evil eye hamper. I think this is lovely. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है ये. तो दिव्या ये बताइए कि अगर आप ये इतनी चीजें बना रहे हैं, कोई जना अगर आपको इंडिया में कहीं पे भी ऑर्डर करता है, आप ऑर्डर लेने को तैयार हो?
यस मैम, मेरा सामान टोटली कोरियर से हो मतलब सेंड हो सकता है और ये मतलब इजीली डिटैचेबल है, इसको इजीली पुट करके अपने हैम्पर रेडी हो सकते हैं.
तो आप में से जितने भी जने चाहें वो दिव्या को ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं, इंडिया के किसी भी कोने में हो. आई थिंक दिव्या दिस इज फैंटास्टिक, फैंटास्टिक, रियली प्रिटी. आपका ब्रांड नेम बताएंगी आप?
Yes, ma'am. My brand name is HS Craft Studio and my Insta handle is also HS Craft Studio.
So is somebody sharing your Instagram handle? Is somebody sharing your Instagram handle?
Yes, ma'am. I have put my Insta handle in my group, so somebody can help me out.
Okay, somebody. Thank you so much, Divya. let's move ahead. So now, so how many of you are inspired? Okay, so we are going to have MAPP camera again on the focus. Can we have MAPP camera on, please? So we have, how many of you are inspired by Fauji's? So we have a Fauji wife here, Garima. I always tell her that I'm inspired by you. So I'm going to ask the camera to be unmuted, please. Now over to Garima.
Hi everyone, I'm Garima, and I used to teach earlier. I was into education field, and then I started crafting. And someday the creative path pulled me here. Today I'm at MAPP. I decided to be a packer. I decided to take my creative skills and upcycle them and do something bigger and better. This will be helping out a lot of people who want to do something and वो घर में छोटा सा काम करते रहते हैं, तो वो सोच के I thought कि let me do something for myself and for a lot of people who are there. So if you are watching me today, just see I have got a few things on my table today, and most of them are inspired by the summer theme. So my theme, I love beaches. I'm not a mountain kind of person, so I decided to do something beach and something fun. And what do we do when we go to the beach? We use a fedora, a hat. I made a hat. And I want you to guess, meanwhile, while I'm displaying other things, I want you to guess, what is this hat made of? Tell me, what is this hat made of? I've used, yes, you can see the denim. मैंने अपना jeans काट के बनाया है इसको for your kind info. But और क्या क्या मैंने use किया? You have to tell me in the comments. Do tell me, then I'll tell you how to do it. And then I made these cute flip flops. Aren't they cute? और ये छोटे छोटे से हैं. अगर ये मुझे ऐसा लगा कोई छोटा सा न्यू बॉर्न को भी मैं पहना के फोटो ले सकती थी. I missed that opportunity. I have a teenage daughter because. Then I made this tassel. Can you see this lovely tassel? Well, this tassel you can add it to the bag. Not only to the bag, if you put it to a lakdi ka pin, a wooden pin, you can put it in your juda also. So pura beach vibes aa jayega. In addition to all this, what I've learned here at MAPP is बहुत struggle हुआ मुझे सीखने में bunching. As a crafter, I have done a lot of things, but bunching बहुत struggle हुआ to put everything in place in the right way. So I made some, and I made this bag hanging. When you're going to the beach, add some jute vibes to your tote. So all this I've made, and this is complete summer vibe. मम्मा के हाथ का नींबू का अचार जो आप गिफ्ट कर सकते हो, हम हमेशा बाजार से जाके क्यों लें. तो इसको मैंने छोटे से लेमन के साथ अडॉर्न किया है. यहाँ पे एक लेमन डाला है, and I want to teach you all how to make this lemon. Very cute and very quick. Okay, so for this, what you're going to do, you are going to take ovals. मैंने थोड़ा सा ऊपर और नीचे थोड़ा सा इसमें शेप डाल दिया है. अगर आप उतना नहीं कर पाओ, आप इसको बहुत अच्छा सा ओवल बना सकते हो. कैन यू सी दिस? ओके, एंड इसके बीच में मैंने स्कोर किया हुआ है. मैंने एक लाइन बनाई हुई है. क्यों लाइन बनाई हुई है? बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू प्रेस इट लाइक दिस एंड टर्न इट लाइक दिस. ये मेरा ऐसे प्रेस हो जाएगा. सॉरी. तो मैंने ऐसे 5 अपने लेमन के लिए मैंने 5 बनाए हैं. आप 4 बना सकते हो, आप 3 बना सकते हो. 3 में थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. 5, 6, 4 कुछ भी बना सकते हो. Now what I'm going to do, you can take any glue. Just to make it quick, I am using this glue today. You can use any glue. I hope you are telling me what all I have used in the hat. Okay, and now I'll paste these two. मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे बना के रखे हुए थे to save on time. बस I thought I'll give you a quick idea, क्योंकि इंटेलिजेंट तो आप लोग हो, ये मुझे पता है. Okay, and now मैंने ये जो पहले बना के रखे हुए थे, आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड टू दिस. इसका एक साइड में लगा देते हैं. नींबू. नींबू से आपको क्या क्या याद आ रहा है? टेल मी. नींबू पानी, और क्या क्या याद आ रहा है? नींबू का अचार, और कुछ याद आ रहा है? प्लीज टेल मी. एंड इसको मैं यहाँ पर लगा दूंगी. ओके, आई विल पेस्ट इट. Now, before I paste this side, I want to tell you, अगर आप किसी फ्लैट सर्फेस के ऊपर इसे कर रहे हो गिफ्ट, तो ये 3D होने के बाद आपको दिक्कत देगा. देन आप इसको ऐसे ही चिपका दो. आप इसको, it is normal paper. You can use a chart paper. It is a normal paper. और आपके पास चार्ट पेपर नहीं है, बेटे की या बेटी की ड्राइंग बुक लो, येलो स्केच पेन से या वाटर कलर से कलर करो और पेपर काट लो. नॉर्मल पेपर. So what I was telling is कि ये तो 3D लेमन बन गया, लेकिन अगर आप ये 3D नहीं करना चाहते हो, किसी नॉर्मल उसके ऊपर लगाना चाहते हो, सॉरी ये मेरा स्टिक हो गया, तो आप इसको ऐसे चिपका सकते हो, तभी आपका फ्लैट सरफेस के ऊपर बहुत आराम से आ जाएगा। और अगर आपको इस लेमन की तरह इसको 3D रखना है, देन यू हैव टू कीप इट लाइक दिस। अभी मैंने इसमें एक ब्राउन कलर का स्टेम काटा है और मैंने इसमें लीव्स काटी हैं। I just wanted to add 2 leaves, so I've taken only 2 leaves. And अब मैं इस brown stem में I'll add these leaves also. I hope you are enjoying, and if you're enjoying, then you need to follow me on my Insta page also. ऐसे यहाँ पर हाय हेलो करके मत भूल जाना मुझे, okay? Let's have a long friendship. And अब ऊपर जो इसमें जगह है, I'm just going to add it. यहाँ पे मैंने ग्लू लगाई, आप हॉट ग्लू गन भी यूज कर सकते हो। आई एम यूजिंग B6000, इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी, जस्ट टू क्विकन द प्रोसेस आई एम डूइंग इट। यू कैन यूज फेविकोल ऑल्सो, क्योंकि घर में आप आराम से कर रहे होगे। So that's why I'm using it. I'm just putting it here. You're going to follow me. My Insta account you can find with Garima Mridul's name, and my brand name is Gift Sandook. Don't forget to follow me. Otherwise next time मैं आपको DIY नहीं बताऊंगी. So this is the nimbu. Can you see it? Oh, sorry. It was just a quick thing. See the nimbu. Right? अब आप इसको जहां पर भी लगाना चाहो आप इसको लगा सकते हो। Thank you so much. I'll be posting my Instagram handle, my account name and link in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me. Follow me for your gift packing services. Follow me for if you're making something and we can collaborate. Follow me for anything and everything on earth. And if you feel like chicks.
So thank you. Hi everyone. How did you like Garima's work? If it is so, type in love it. Type in love it. So we are going to Kanchan Tayal. We had missed it out on her. She's all set now. Welcome Kanchan. And Kanchan, you need to unmute yourself. You are unmuted. Yeah. So Kanchan is now set. So second time she's better. Next time she'll be absolutely Deepika Padukone. I'm so sure. She looks beautiful. So the Divya has put Craft Studio Instagram. Kanchan अपना idea बताएंगी सारा behind this. Yeah.
मैंने समर हेल्पर बनाया है और इसमें मैंने मुखवास डाले हैं अलग अलग टाइप्स के।
मुखवास डाले, मुखवास सुपारी चूरन ऐसी चीजों को बोला जाता है। हाँ, और ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत जो आपने रैबिट्स बनाए हैं स्पून के बने हुए हैं, राइट?
यस मैम। और
बहुत
मैंने
खूबसूरत। हाँ,
मैंने एक बाजूबंद बनाया है जो मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को गिफ्ट करना चाहती थी। आज मैं आप लोगों को ये सिखाना चाहती हूँ ताकि आप भी आप बना
okay,
सकें।
so Kanchan is going to teach us how to make a beautiful cozy and then create it into a bajuband. So it's really nice, Kanchan. Wonderful. This is really beautiful. So we are looking forward to. Okay, and she's wearing a matching dress to wear it.
समर
I
है तो
didn't see.
समर पे हम अपने हाथ को भी सजा लें तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा।
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। वी आर वेरी श्योर। सो कंचन कैसे बनाना है जल्दी से बताएं आप हमें।
मैम इसके लिए कुछ बीच मैंने एक स्ट्रिप ली है जो कि 1.25 इंच ब्रॉड है, पेपर स्ट्रिप है ये, और बीच में से थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ के मैंने कुछ फ्लावर्स यहाँ पर अटैच किए हैं पहले।
इसके बाद काटती है। तो कंचन इज टेकन अ पेपर, पेपर पे वो फ्लावर्स लगा रही हैं और उसके बाद में दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द बेस ऑफ द बाजूबंद। एंड लुक एट दिस सो फास्ट एंड द कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर्स आर वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। कंचन टेक योर टाइम, आराम से आराम से आराम से। अब आप देखिए कि द मैप स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलवेज क्विक टू वर्क। So good to work. Show नहीं हो रहा perfectly, Sheetal. I think this is quite clear, बच्चा. It's very clear. Don't worry, Kanchan. It is quite clear. And you can make a reel later on and share it with us so that we can put it on the Instagram also.
डेफिनेटली मैंने कुछ व्हाइट फ्लावर्स भी लगाए हैं।
अभी आपका कैमरा गड़बड़ाया है। अब आपका कैमरा हिल गया कंचन। प्लीज रीफोकस योर कैमरा। कंचन आपका कैमरा अब हिल गया है.
ओके.
Bring it to the table, please. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Very nice, Kanchan. This is really doing well. Very nice. So इस तरह से इन्होंने सारे उसको पेपर को भर दिया. कंचन सारा पेपर इसी तरह से फिलअप कर देना है.
यस मैम, बस बीच में एक थोड़ा सा बिग फ्लावर लगा देंगे.
ओके. सब लोग बहुत पसंद कर रहे हैं. दे आर राइटिंग सुपर्ब. कंचन, कीप इट अप. ममता गोयल कह रही है मैडम फ्लावर क्या है बनाया. तो ममता ये रेडी सिल्क फ्लावर्स हैं. नैना इज सेइंग नाइस. लावण्या इज सेइंग नाइस एंड ब्यूटीफुल. आईफोन इज सेइंग लवली. होम इज सेइंग लवली. सो कंचन एवरीबडी इज लविंग योर डिजाइन. और एक बहुत बड़ा सा फूल बीच में लगा के द पीस इज क्वाइट कंप्लीट. आप इसके पीछे में अब रिबन लगाएं और रिबन लगा के योर पीस इज रेडी. सो ब्यूटीफुल. कामिनी इज सेइंग ब्यूटीफुल. वेरी
मैंने जो
समरेश.
कवर
नलिनी
इसका और एक रिबन लिया है, उसको अच्छा
हाँ.
मजबूत और ताकि पेपर अच्छा नहीं लगता थोड़ा.
पेपर अच्छा नहीं लगता इसलिए आप एक और रिबन लगा सकते हैं. और एक फिर बीच में थोड़ा ग्लू देना है. एंड
ये एक
देन यू
मैंने
हैव
पतला रिबन अटैच
Yeah.
करा है टाई करने के लिए.
हम्म
क्विक फास्ट कर रही हूँ
आप
तो
लोग
थोड़ा
सब
सा.
लोग ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि ग्लू गन का 20 सेकेंड का ड्राइंग टाइम होता है. वो अभी रश कर रही है क्योंकि उनको लिमिटेड टाइम मिला है, इसलिए आप देख रहे हो थोड़ा फूल टेढ़े मेढ़े जा रहे हैं. बट
मेरे
अगर आप
पास
इसको
शेल्स हैं जो कि मैंने इसमें
शेल्स
पेस्ट
हैं.
बनाए.
So बीच में कुछ shells and beads लगाएं. You can put anything you want to put. And lot of appreciation Kanchan is getting. Kanchan लोग बहुत ही and बता रहे हैं Kanchan is very quick. Yes, Kanchan is very very efficient. Kanchan आपका brand name क्या है?
मैम Decora_Heaven.
ओके तो भाई कौन इनका इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल डाल. कंचन अगर आपको कोई 100 पीसेस का ऑर्डर देगा बाजूबंद का, आप लोगे?
बिल्कुल मैम, बाजूबंद मैं उसको बना के दे दूंगी अगर आप ऑर्डर करेंगे और पसंद करेंगे तो मेरा काम.
बिल्कुल आपका काम तो सब पसंद कर रहे हैं. इतनी सारी अप्रिसिएशन आपको मिल रही है ढेरों ढेर.
थैंक यू एवरीवन.
It is so beautiful. So thank you Kanchan. Thank you so much. And for making a beautiful piece. And Ankush Agarwal कह रहे हैं कि all the bridesmaid would love it. बिल्कुल. मुझे लगता है कि अंकुश अग्रवाल के नाम के पीछे कोई और बंदा है. Very creative. Neena Bhatkar is saying color combination is very
मैम
Samrish.
अब मैं
Lavanya is
एक
saying
बाजूबंद यहाँ लगाऊंगी और दूसरा बाजूबंद एक मैं अपने रिस्ट पे भी लगाना पसंद करूंगी. मैं अब ये 2
आप एक अपने
बाजूबंद
रिस्ट पे भी
ready
लगाना चाहती हैं. वंडरफुल. ये आ गया. दिस इज कंचन्स. विभा ने अभी ये डाला है. आई जस्ट freeze the chat. I'm freezing the chat so that you people can visit Kanchan's Instagram handle. So this is a wrist arm. Thank you, Kanchan.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
thank you so much for being here. And everybody, can we all applause for Kanchan? This is her first time. Now we are going to have Rakhi. I'm replacing the spotlight to Rakhi. Welcome, Rakhi. Rakhi, please आप अपने आप को unmute करो.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just to introduce Rakhi, and Rakhi के बाद में हम लेंगे R for Rakhi and R for Ritu, right? So Rakhi, just to tell everybody, Rakhi is a professional artist. She's a painter, and now she's moved into a gift packaging industry by storm. Everybody is loving her product. Over to you, Rakhi. What are you showing us today?
मैम आज मैं समर की कलेक्शन दिखाने वाली हूँ. कुछ समर से मैंने काम
जी.
किया है और एक पेस्टल कलर्स पे कुछ क्रिएटिव चीजें बनाने की कोशिश.
Wonderful. Wow, this is so very beautiful. The chat is on. You people can show your appreciation. Chat is already on. And everybody, this is beautiful. Isn't the color combination is nice, festive? So Rakhi, will you like to explain your own design, whole design idea?
Yes, ma'am.
We can't hear you. Can we have it more voice? Can we have your voice also? Kuch bolo, so we'll know whether we can hear you. No, we can't hear you. Though you are unmuted from our side, but the voice is not coming from your end. अभी आ रही थी, अभी गई है. No, we can't hear you. So what we are going to do is we are going to take Ritu by the time, and आप अपने आप को prepare करें. And can we have map camera on, please? Can we have map camera on? Can we have map camera on? Where is Sonal? Is it on? So I'm going, no, it's not on. Okay, 1 minute.
So Ritu, you have to speak. So speak about your language, speak about your brand, speak about your
Hi, I'm Ritu Kema. I'm from West Delhi.
दिखना नहीं चाहिए, अच्छा नहीं लगता.
I'm a baker
मेरी नीचे
and
नहीं
I've
हो
just
सकती.
shifted to this. I'm just adding a new vertical to my career, that is packing, because it always enhances once you pack the things in a good, good packing.
So we were saying that you are adding a new career. So were you doing something before?
Yeah, I'm a baker. So I bake healthy cakes. And if you guys like it, do follow me on that.
So they will definitely
Yeah.
not only follow you, they'll buy from you, will all eat it also. So guys,
Yes.
Ritu is a baker now bringing packing to it. So Ritu,
Yes.
what's your summer idea today?
Okay. I have just planned a summer hamper beach because in summers and on beach parties and all are there. So we can plan a beach hamper for that. So I will be telling you that these can be used for party hampers also.
These are beautiful
small
umbrellas.
Yeah,
very
these are
pretty.
small paper umbrellas. These can be used for party hampers. Then these baskets can be used as bridesmaids baskets for the weddings, summer weddings. These slippers are also made handmade. They're paper made. Okay, and yeah, this is a small hat which can also be used for which can also be used for party hamper. Okay, these are small cutouts. These are, see, this you can use, see. And these props can be used for party hampers and any basket, and very easy to make it also. So today I will be telling you how to make this basket so that you can make it you can make it at home. It's very easy to make and can be used for kids birthday party for return favors also, and very nicely you can use it in any hamper. So it's very easy. I tell you how to make it. You can take a simple origami sheet. Okay, then I have taken a tape because it is available. It is easily available, or you can take any lid for that, and you can put it here. It is almost 3 inch in diameter. Okay, put it here and cut a circle. That's how circle is cut. Okay, simply you fold it half, then you fold it again once, and that's how it will look at like a triangle. Okay, that's how I have already kept some triangles ready for you. Okay, when you keep a triangle, here you have to put a glue. Here you have to put a glue and stick it like this. It will be closed. Okay, you can see it is closed like this. Then you can collect some, almost 15 to 16 triangles like this can make a beautiful umbrella like you can see like this. You can increase the size of umbrella as per your requirement. So if we collect all the umbrellas like this, all the wings like this, and we have to stick them in between, because you can stick it with a glue gun. These are easy to make these are easy to make accessories which can be used at home easily. Even you can use it to teach kids the craft at home. MAPP has actually, I was a baker, but MAPP has taught me a lot, all these things. I mean, I have become more creative now. And it's interesting also. I'm enjoying it. You have to keep it in mind that you have to stick it from one side. All you have to stick it like this. Can you see? Thank you. These can be used as cake poppers too. Since I'm a baker, so I'll be telling you that these can be used as cake poppers too. Thank you. Now it is off. Now you just take this straw. It's normal straw which we use it at home, and just take it like this in the inner part and open the whole thing. It takes a bit time, to stick it together. And once you open it, like this umbrella is complete. Can you see this umbrella? Yes, that's how it is complete. So you can see very easy. You can see how easy it is to make it. And in just 2 minutes, I have made this. Okay, my brand name is Healthy Bites. So you can follow me on Insta, healthy_bites1717. See, this is it. It has not looking perfect because it takes a bit time, to stick it together.
So hi everyone. So you saw Ritu doing a wonderful umbrella. We have some questions. Also, Ritu, thank you so much. Tasty Bite is her Instagram handle. Please, some of her friends can share the Instagram handle, Ritu, so that people can follow. And somebody told me, asked a question here that are these for selling or are these only for personal hampers? So dear, if you put it into your hamper, it absolutely sells. It can be selling as a cake toppers, as a stirrers or anything. Baki to aapko brand banani aani chahiye. So I'm going to take you to Amita now because Amita Bothra. So we are going to Amita Bothra. Hi Amita, please unmute yourself. And I'll request the other participant to be ready here. And yeah, Dolly first you. So Amita, please.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. So welcome, Amita. Why don't you speak about yourself first? From which city you are and what is your brand name?
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Amita Bothra. I'm from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. And my Insta handle is blissful_basket26. Before
I want all the audience, I want just 1 minute, Amita. I want all the audience to understand one thing. These girls, these champions who are here, few days back, they were housewives, homemakers, somebody's wife, somebody's mom, somebody's daughter, somebody's sister. Today, they are all trying to make their own name, अपनी पहचान बना रही हैं और आज आप इन्हें देख रहे हैं. अगले 6 महीने में आप इन्हें इंटरनेशनल देखेंगे, नेशनल देखेंगे. You'll see them glowing like a star. Can we all applaud everybody of them? Can we all applaud everybody of them? And Amita, Ahmednagar एक छोटी सी जगह है. How have you thought of doing a business from there? And I see a beautiful collection at the back.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. You are giving so much motivation and inspiration us. Before joining MAPP Academy, I was zero in this industry. I was nothing. मुझे कुछ पता भी नहीं था कि gift packing industry is so huge. And nowadays, जैसे जैसे सीख रहे हैं, from the flower to hamper, it's amazing journey. And हर बार कुछ नए webinars, जो भी मैम के कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, इट्स ट्रूली अमेजिंग, जो हम लोग को बहुत मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. तो थैंक यू सो
अमिता,
मच.
आज आप हमें क्या सिखाए? इट्स ऑल माय प्लेजर. आज आप हमें क्या दिखा रही हैं?
Ma'am, as a summer gifting hamper, I have a very cute idea for summer gifting hamper. Before showing my hamper, I would like to teach before showing the hamper. Is it okay?
Done. Done. Absolutely all right.
Yes. Nowadays, macrame art is very known to everyone, and it's growing too much. Like बहुत अच्छे से macrame art हो रहा है. This is macrame thread. With this thread, I am going to make rainbow. I take this. There is a lot of sizes in macrame threads. I have take this is 5 mm and this is 2 mm thread. With the help of this, before starting, we have to glue this. बस रोल करके हम लोग को
Okay, so we
Okay.
take a rope and then we roll another rope to it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. There are lots of color, very beautiful color, all pastel colors and very beautiful colors in these macrame threads. I have made, with the help of this macrame art, I make this rainbow.
Wow. So can you see she's twisted and she's made 3 and pasted them together. Wow. और कितने inches का है? Somebody is asking कितने inches का है ये?
I use inner thread is 5 mm and outer thread is 2 mm.
I think जितना बड़ा रेनबो आपको बनाना है उतना बड़ा थ्रेड ले लें, ठीक है ना?
Exactly, ma'am. It's according to your hamper, according to your requirement, you can make this rainbow. And
So
after
you can
that,
make a beautiful rainbow. Wow.
yes. After that, we have to decor this rainbow with the help of these beautiful flowers, or you can use as a summer gifting, then you can use shells.
This is lovely. Can we see the whole project, Amita?
Yes, ma'am. And your rainbow
this
is
is so
ready.
beautiful. This is so beautiful. Very, very pretty. Can we all applause? If you love it, please say it's a rainbow, it's a sky, the whole world in our fingers. Beautiful, Amita. And Amita, how have you used it? It is so very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to show you how can we use this rainbow. This is one hamper. If you are making any birthday hamper or for
तो
any
हमें हैम्पर नहीं पूरा दिख रहा है, हमें अंदर का तो नहीं दिख रहा है, साइड का दिख रहा है.
ma'am,
आप थोड़ा हैम्पर को नीचे करेंगी तो नजर आएगा.
it's looking, ma'am. You can see.
हाँ हाँ, अब दिख रहा है, अब दिख रहा है. Now this is good. This is good, Amita. This is good. Yeah. Oh, so pretty. आप ये देखिए, तो उन्होंने हैंड टॉवल्स के आइसक्रीम बनाए हैं और उन्होंने डोरी के रेनबो बनाए हैं एंड लगाया है. It's very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So Amita, if you have a tape next to you, you can always tape it.
Ma'am, see.
What I love about my girls are they are unstoppable. Wow, this is lovely. How do you find it? This is so very pretty. So you just saw Ritu doing the similar basket in a very different style. Amita doing it in an absolute different style. Dipali says very beautiful. Mitali says very nice. Crafts thing says awful. All the lovely ladies over there, all the professional packers. Look at these girls creating such lovely designs. Wow, wow. Somebody saying they are speechless. Amita, what is the road to success? कहाँ पहुंचना है? बहुत ही खूबसूरत.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for this appreciation.
And don't miss out the sunglasses put on the basket. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. बहुत ही beautiful.
Summer accessories I have used like cap, goggle, rainbow, and everything.
बहुत खूबसूरत है अमिता, थैंक यू सो मच. Please switch on the camera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much. By your products, the whole webinar has become so lovely. Thank you. Can we have MAPP camera on, please? So we are going to have over here Coach Dolly on the camera, and I'm going to switch on the. Can you people hear? तो आपको unmute करना होगा. हाँ. Yeah.
Hi everyone. I'm Dolly Aneja. I'm a student turned coach at MAPP Academy. And I hope you are enjoying this beautiful webinar on the summer topic and you're loving the cool accessories that the students have created. And so let me tell you a little about the Academy. It's an academy where we prepare future professionals for the gift packaging industry. And we have various courses that we run. We have a complete full 6 months professional packaging course, and we keep on running short-term courses also on various topics. So if in case you are interested to join any of the courses, you're most welcome to contact Sonal. I'll share her number with all of you, and you can have the details from her. And we also have sessions, Ask Me Anything sessions, where you can inquire anything about the academy or the courses that we run. And I think you will love. If you want, you can come and visit the academy also, and you can see the vision that our mentor Shalini ma'am has for India. She wants to put India on the international map with respect to the gift packaging industry, and she wants to see India go global, the industry go global. So we're all waiting for your queries and phone calls. Thank you. Now Krati is here. She is a professional packaging student. She's going to teach you a few more accessories for the summer season.
So welcome Prati. Welcome Prati from recycling and making ordinary bottles extraordinary, making everybody's party pretty. And now you're moving to the wedding and a celebration industry. Tell us more about you.
Hello everyone. I am Prati Agrawal और मैं ईस्ट दिल्ली से हूँ अभी. और ये मैंने समर हैम्पर के लिए बनाए हुए हैं एक्सेसरीज. ये कुछ बॉटल्स हैं, ये हैट है बीच थीम के लिए, ये बीच बैग है, और ये कुछ बंचेस हैं जो कि हम यूज कर सकते हैं अपने किसी भी बास्केट को या फिर किसी भी डेकोर के लिए. एक ये है बीच थीम. तो मैं आपको आज ये बताऊंगी कि ये कैसे बनाया है मैंने. ये सभी के घर में आता है, सब्जी में आता है नेट, उसको यूज करके मैंने बनाया है. हम पहले इस रिबन को लेंगे. रिबन से मैंने इरेगुलर बो बनाया है ऐसे करके, somewhat like this. तो ये मैंने प्रीमेड किया हुआ है. इसके ऊपर हम ये लगाएंगे. फिर इस लीफ को यूज करके
This is looking amazing and beautiful. Don't miss out the fishnet. अपने घर के जितने नहाने के वो जो स्क्रबर्स हैं, जितनी भी सब्जियों की चीजें आती हैं ना के थैले, उन सबको यूज कर सकते हैं. Krati, I think this is wonderful.
फिर उस पे मैंने ये जूट पेसल, ये भी मेरा हैंडमेड है, सीशेल्स और मैंने पर्ल्स से लेकर बनाया हुआ है.
Amazing. This is a wonderful thought. And don't miss out her boxes. She's so organized, absolutely organized.
सब लोग अपने घर पे ये ट्राई करेंगे बनाना.
Rati, have you created the tassel also on your own
Yes, ma'am.
using jute and pearls?
Seashells and pearls.
Seashells, pearls.
Are the leaves of paper?
No, it's this. It's ready-made. फिर मैंने उसको कट करके फ्लावर क्रिएट किया है.
So I think Rati, we can also create the same from a paper tree, like
Yeah, we can.
wow, wonderful. This looks so nice, summery and perfect for a beach wedding. So Krati, everybody is loving your creation. They're saying this is beautiful, perfect for a beach wedding, as I said. In fact, you could use it on
It's
the
ready now.
chair back. Wow. Very nice.
So for more such designs, you can follow me on Instagram by with the name Creative Artshala. Creative_Artshala.
Everyone, so let's move ahead, and we had mismatched on Rakhi, so let's catch it on with her and what she is doing. I hope we can hear her. So Rakhi, can you please unmute, and after Rakhi we'll take you straight to Singapore. So पहले हम Rakhi से मिलते हैं, our painter friend, and we can see her matching dress wearing help also. This is so good. Everything is matching, not only the packing but the help and the herself also, है ना? So
Yes,
wonderful. And can we have the Creative Artshala handle is here put in by Ritu, and you people can all follow Krati onto it. And don't miss out, I've used Krati's bottles to the best in my son's birthday party. So over to you, Rakhi.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can hear you good, nice and clear. Wonderful. Yes, Rakhi.
तो मैम पेस्टल्स को कलर्स को यूज करने के लिए कुछ और
थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलेंगे हम ताकि और क्लैरिटी में सुने. या
ठीक है मैम. तो मैंने कुछ पेस्टल कलर्स को यूज करके ऑरेंजिश लेमनिश कुछ फील करके ये सब चीजें क्रिएट करी है अपने हैम्पर के लिए. और ये खाली हैम्पर में नहीं, हम लोग बहुत चीजों में यूज कर सकते हैं.
सो राखी, तुम्हारी ना आवाज फ्लक्चुएट कर रही है स्टिल, तो मुझे ये लगता है इफ द लैपटॉप इज देयर, हैव द माइक एरिया. हाँ, दिस इज बेटर. नाउ स्पीक आउट समथिंग. बोलो.
So मैम, yes ma'am,
दिस इज गुड. हाँ, दिस इज गुड. या दिस इज गुड, प्लीज. हाँ,
I created this. तो मैंने इसके साथ बहुत सारे कलर्स में प्ले किया है. इसको हम अपने हैम्पर में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. एक समरी फील आती है बहुत अच्छी वाली. और मैं नेक्स्ट इससे अपनी एक डोर हैंगिंग बनाने वाली हूँ इन्हीं को यूज करके, लाइक दिस.
दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स स्टनिंग, सिंपल yet really pretty.
And I created with this wood sticks जो मैंने
Oh,
सब आर्ट से पिक
cute.
करा, and I did this.
So सब लोग अभी वॉक पे जाइए, इन स्टिक्स को इकट्ठा करिए और समर स्विंग. It's stunning. Vinisha says it's so cute. Beautiful, Rakhi. I think this is very innovative. Mathili says it is really nice. So people are really appreciating it. Wow. Shipra says wow. And if you look at the background of hers, it's stunning. Yeah.
And I created this lemon orange doll also with doilies.
With the doilies, all this fairy-like doll is created. Rakhi, your journey from painter to gift packer. And we आप सोच सकते हैं एक आर्टिस्ट अगर गिफ्ट पैकर बनेगा तो कैसे होगा. Then there's a question, how do you cut the paper by hand? Yes, of course, with the scissor and by hand. So Rakhi, will you speak about your journey towards a painter to a gift packer? How's it going?
मैम पेंटिंग करने में बहुत मजा आता है, लेकिन मोनेटाइज इतना आसानी से हो नहीं पाता क्योंकि एक पेंटर को बहुत आगे जाना पड़ता है, जो छोटे छोटे ऑब्स्टेकल्स आते रहते हैं। तो मुझे लगा पैकेजिंग में मुझे एक डिजाइनिंग भी सीखने को मिलती है और अपनी आर्ट के लिए भी एक मोनेटाइजेशन का बहुत अच्छा फील आता है मुझे। तो एक चीज
Wonderful,
प्लस
बिल्कुल.
ऐड करके आई एम जस्ट अचीविंग माय जर्नी एंड आई हैव गोल्स। तो
So
फॉलो
thank
मी,
you, Rakhi, for being with us. Yeah, please.
फॉलो मी।
You share your Instagram handle also, and also share about your brand.
My brand name is Endearing Wraps by Rakhi. My phone number is 8010978781. And you can follow me for more
Wonderful. So
information.
you have a, yes. So you want more artistic hampers? Follow Rakhi. Thank you so much. So let's go to Jayashree. Hi, Jayashree. So Jayashree, can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good
So
afternoon
straight from India to
Singapore.
Singapore. So straight from Delhi to Singapore. Jayashree, why don't you speak about your journey and what are you going to show us today?
Yeah, it is a very good and a very inspiring journey right now because I was into crafting before, but now like coming into hampers and all, becoming more creative with you, ma'am. With your बोलते ना एक हिम्मत आप इतनी देते हो कि आगे बढ़ते रहो बस वही कर रहे हैं मैम. तो we are proving ourselves, yes, and I'm enjoying this journey. So I made
Wonderful.
this summer hamper, this summer basket.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah. And I'll just like to show you how I did this in a quick recap, ma'am. Is it okay?
Yes, 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 definitely. Yeah.
So these are the things I had put, and I just made this frill of a kite paper. I just put it. And then I pasted a bunch of flower. This is a paper cutting थी मेरे पास, तो वही मैंने paste कर दिया. And ये कुछ paper राफिया थे मेरे पास, तो मैंने उसका
Very nice.
sort of यहाँ पर एक ऐसे बो जैसा बना दूं. Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. People are saying awesome.
Thank
So
you.
beautiful. Magnificent,
And
Venisha
you can,
says.
yeah, and you can hang these leaves and all the paper cutted leaves to your raffia so that it gives a nice delicate feel. And just you can paste a butterfly here. I'll just paste it.
So much of appreciation, Jayashree. Everybody is loving it.
And I'll just put this.
कह रहे हैं सिंगापुर का राफिया बहुत अच्छा है. I don't miss out this
So, ma'am,
hat. Don't
yeah.
miss out this. Oh, so simple yet so stunning. So MAPP goes Singapore with Jayashree. Anybody who's traveling to Singapore has weddings of friends over there, do refer Jayashree. And she is doing a lot of orders around and in Singapore in
Yes,
Indian and Western design. She's simply amazing, absolutely amazing. Do tell your friends in Singapore that we have a beautiful presence over there. So Jayashree, the dream of MAPP to have India as a gift packaging nation of the world with you, that gets materialized also. Thank you so much for being there. So do share your Instagram handle.
Sure, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
please do that. So thank you. And अब हम लेके चलते हैं आपको गीता के पास में. So we are taking you to Geeta. So I have 3 Geeta Shah here. So which Geeta to I take? That's so there's no map written over there, Geeta. Yeah, so we are with Geeta. So Geeta, please unmute करें अपने आप को. गीता अपने आप को अनम्यूट करें. सोफिया, गीता, you need to unmute yourself. असल में I have 2 Geeta here, so I don't know which one to unmute. Geeta, if you have logged in with 2 devices, maybe you can remove one or unmute करें. I think till Geeta is organizing herself and something to do with her. Sophia, please, आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करेंगी? Sophia. Geeta's network is bad. And Sophia. I'm spotlighting Sophia here. Great. Sophia, please unmute करें अपने आप को. You are muted.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Wonderful,
Good
we can hear
afternoon.
you. So guys, I really want you to applaud all the MAPP students and everybody. Can you all applaud Sophia? So Sophia is an example of inspiration. Sophia is an example कि दुनिया की कोई भी ताकत आपको रोक नहीं सकती अगर आप कुछ करना चाहें. परिस्थिति कैसी भी हो, कैसे भी सर्कमस्टेंसेस हो, तो भी अगर आपने कदम आगे बढ़ाया है तो दुनिया आपके साथ चलेगी ही चलेगी. I am not to speak about here about Sophia's personal life, except Sophia, we have lost you, bachcha. Your camera is gone. Kuch, haan, this is good. I just want to tell you one thing, that I'm so proud of Sophia. Whenever I talk to her, I'm inspired to do more and more. Sophia, thank you so much for being with us, for being in our life, and for taking your life forward. Thank you. So आज आप बताओ, it's a beautiful hamper you have made. Sophia, we love you absolutely. So Sophia, कैसे आप अपना future देखती हैं? Will you speak about that?
Ma'am, ma'am, this is the first time our webinar live I'm going. Ma'am, I wanted to grow to give a best life to my daughters. I can't say anything.
बहुत अच्छा है. Sophia, we can hear you well. तो Sophia आपको ये बता रही है कि वो ग्रो करना चाहती है अपनी बेटियों के लिए, वो ग्रो करना चाहती है
Yes,
अपने
ma'am.
देश के लिए. Sophia, we are absolutely proud of you. We are absolutely proud of you. और आपको देख के मुझे ये मालूम है कि अगर जिंदगी में कोई भी ये बोले ना मुझे कि मुझे दुनिया आगे ग्रो नहीं करने देती, तो ऐसे प्लीज गो एंड मीट सोफिया. वी क्या बनाया है.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have created this summer hamper into a beach theme. I have
Very
made this resin art beach theme का बनाया हुआ है. So I have taken some of the
तो सोफिया ने ये हैम्पर रेजिन आर्ट से बनाया है, बीच थीम है. जो पीछे आप ट्रे देख रहे हैं लगा हुआ, वो भी सोफिया ने खुद रेडी किया है. शी वर्क्स विद इवेंट प्लानर. शी इज इन बैंगलोर. Anybody of you know having a wedding in Bangalore, any work in Bangalore, she does job work, she provides service, she provides packaging, and she's awesome with her work. Look at the color combination she has chosen. Look at the beautiful. Yes, so wow, Sophia, why don't you speak about ये जो पीछे आपने रखा हुआ है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है.
मैम, मैंने ये भी रेजिन आर्ट से किया है. जो भी गिफ्ट करना चाहे तो आई कैन क्रिएट दिस विद कस्टमाइज of customers, clients. So I have created this. मैंने ये भी ग्लास वाइन ग्लास में बनाया हुआ है. This basket I have made.
बहुत ब्यूटीफुल. तो सोफिया, अगर कोई आपको 100 वॉल क्लॉक्स बनाने को बोलेगा तो आप बना देंगी?
Yeah, ma'am, definitely.
Wonderful. Sure. And look at this beautiful packing. You want to order bunches, you want to order any kind of a decoration, Sophia can do it all.
Yeah. Ma'am, some of the work also have done.
I will request Sophia friends to put her number on the chat. I will request them to put her Instagram handle. Yes, Sophia, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. 98867 51677, and my brand name is Maddie's Gift Hamper.
Sophia, सब लोग बहुत appreciate कर रहे हैं. तो Maddie's_gift hamper is her Instagram handle. I am freezing the chat, and her number is 988-675-1677. Maddie's_gift hampers _07. You must check her collection. And Sophia, थोड़ा सा दूर से अगर दिखाएं तो at one glance हमें नजर आएगा कि कैसा आपने बना रखा है. Look at the whole collection. It is so very beautiful. It is so very beautiful. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. आप ये देखिए. Can we all applause for Sophia? Can we all applause for Sophia? कभी भी जिंदगी में डर लगे तो सोफिया को याद कर लीजिएगा, तो आपको ये पता लगेगा बहादुरी किसको बोलते हैं. So thank you, Sophia, for being with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
you
much.
so much. So we are coming back to MAPP Studio. So please switch on the camera. Thank you, Sophia. And taking you over to Shreya. Shreya is a fabulous designer.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya.
Unmute him, ma'am.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and my brand name is Packed by Shreya. I'm working from last 8 months, but this journey, like I have joined MAPP last month, and it's been very helpful, very helpful. Like I've seen a difference in my journey in this 1 month. I've been very creative, and this few milestones that ma'am tries us to achieve, and this is something that you want to be better from the rest, and that is what we try achieving. And today I've made summer beach hamper theme accessories. Like you can see, I've just taken a vase and I have put jute flowers in it. I've put the full shell decor, and also I've taken, I've taken a wire and I've put pearls into it so that it gives a very, different look to it. Then this is actually best out of waste. This is a plastic bottle and I tried creating something. Then we have a wine glass. I can also show you a DIY. This is just a wine glass. I've just, put it like this way. I've taken a lace. I've put the accessories to it. And then I've taken a cardboard. I've put a chudi. It's easily available at everyone's place. I've put 2 birds, 1 egg, and it's giving a very nice and beautiful concept. And this can also be, a very nice giveaway. And this can be a giveaway for each and every occasion, irrespective of summers or anything. But it's a very nice option. And you can put it in a basket also. It looks very nice. Like a wine in 2 glasses like this, it'll give a very good vibe. Then I have this as a wall hanging. If you can see, I've just taken just the embroidery hoti hai, that hoop, and I've added a lace to it. Like if you can see, and I've added my flowers and this also looks like a, girl's purse, and also you can put it anywhere. This can be a wall hanging. Then this is my glass tubes. If you know, this is easily available anywhere. See? And then I've added jute and I've added dry flour to it to give it a good concept. You can add silver elaichi or any mouth freshener to it to your hamper and give a very, very nice look. Then there is a summer themed bouquet to it. And also don't forget, these are my candles that I've made. This is a coconut shell. See? This can also be a very good accessory to your basket. This will add a very nice look to it. It's a very summery, very nice. And also I've seen a video on Instagram. It was a DIY. There, you can make your own candles. So this can also be a part of your DIY candle. I can show you one, how to make it. Like you can see, I've put I just, many coconut shell ko half kiya hai, and then I've put wax to it. And then all you can do is you can blow torch it. So it starts melting a little bit. Don't do it too much. See, when it starts melting, yeah. See, we can add our grass to it. We can add our flowers to it. See. I can add my ferns to it. I'm adding some, and these are all dried flowers, and it's easily available anywhere. You can get your own candle made also. See. See. You can add whatever you feel like will go with your concept. So here are two. See, it's a very nice DIY and it's a very easily, very easy you can make it. It's a DIY candle. See, and I've already got one made for you. So I think you should make one and share with me. My Insta ID is packdeck by Shreya, pack_deck_by_Shreya. And I'd love if you share your videos with me. Thank you so much.
So hello everyone, how do you like it? How do you like it? Did you love all our students' beautiful designs? If you have loved it, please type in love. Please type in love. So pack_deck is Shreya's, everybody. So these girls have created this all in 2 days straight, practicing, many of them doing it for the first time. And your presence here today means a lot. So I'm going to unmute all of you. I'm going to unmute all of you. And you're already unmuted. You people can unmute. And if anything you want to ask any of the participants, please do that. If anybody wants to ask anything to the participant, you have any questions or something like that. MAPP is an academy where we take professional packaging courses. People who want to do business of gift packaging, for them, it's a place. Oh, okay, Aman says, so, when we say iska best tha ya uska best tha, you need to understand they are all star in making. They are all celebrities in making. आप आने वाले टाइम के अंदर पैकिंग की दुनिया में सेलिब्रेशन इंडस्ट्री में इन लोगों के नाम सुर्खियों में देखेंगे. This I can assure you. Yeah. Anybody wants to ask anything to our participants? So we'll say bye. Otherwise, this all the work videos done by students will be available on the YouTube. So you people will be able to see it on India.